Looking for a new Samsung dryer but not sure which one's right for you? Stick around because today we're breaking down the top Samsung dryers from the simplest to the smartest, so you can pick the perfect match for your laundry rooms. Let's kick things off with the most basic model in our lineup, the Samsung DVE45T3200W. If you're just looking for a dryer that gets the job done without any bells and whistles, this one might catch your eye. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to use. This dryer gives you a roomy 7.2 cubic feet capacity, which is plenty for most households. It has sensor dry technology to help prevent over drying and save energy, and the door is reversible, so you can set it up to fit your space. It also has Smart Care, which lets you run diagnostics using your phone if something goes wrong. But there are some trade-offs. Unlike the other dryers on this list, this model doesn't have any Wi-Fi features or steam functions. It also lacks an Energy Star certification, which means it might use more energy compared to the higher-end models. So who's this dryer for? If you're on a tighter budget or you just want something simple that dries your clothes without fuss, the DVE45T3200W is a solid pick. And by the way, you'll find links to all the dryers in this review at the best prices right down in the description below, so check that out if you're interested. Next up is the Samsung DVG50R5200W, and this one steps things up by offering a gas-powered option. If you prefer gas dryers over electric, this might be the one you're looking for. It's great for folks who already have a gas line in their laundry room. With a slightly larger 7.4 cubic foot capacity, you can handle bigger loads than with the previous model. It still includes sensor dry, which is great for protecting your clothes from overheating, and it comes with Smart Care for easy troubleshooting right from your phone. However, just like the last model, this dryer doesn't have steam cycles or Wi-Fi connectivity. It also isn't Energy Star certified, so it won't be the most efficient machine on the list. This one's best for someone who wants a large capacity gas dryer without a lot of extra features. Oh, and while you're here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss our future reviews. Moving into the mid-range, let's talk about the Samsung DV25B6900EW/A2. This one is compact but packed with smart features, making it perfect for apartments or smaller homes. Even though it only has a 4.0 cubic foot capacity, it makes up for the smaller size with features like AI Smart Dial, which learns your favorite settings over time. It also comes with sensor dry, Wi-Fi connectivity, and steam sanitize for extra peace of mind when it comes to hygiene. Plus, it's Energy Star certified, so it's more efficient than the first two dryers. The downside? Its small size might not work for larger families, and its 70-minute cycle is a bit slower compared to the bigger models. It's also priced higher than you'd expect for a compact dryer. This is a great pick if you live in a condo or apartment where space is tight, but you still want premium features like Wi-Fi and steam. Now we're moving into the premium zone with the Samsung DVE53BB8700VA3. This dryer offers a huge 7.6 cubic foot capacity, which means you can dry large loads, blankets, and bulky towels with no problem. It comes loaded with smart features like the AI Smart Dial and SmartThings app control, so you can customize your drying cycles and even control the dryer from your phone. The Super Speed Dry option lets you get an 8-pound load done in just 30 minutes, which is a lifesaver when you're in a rush. Plus, the Steam Sanitize feature not only reduces wrinkles, but also kills germs and allergens. Some users say that sometimes the clothes aren't fully dry on the first cycle, and it's definitely on the pricier side at around $1,099. Also, you'll need to purchase the 240-volt cord separately, which can be an extra hassle. This dryer is perfect for big families, or anyone who wants their laundry setup to be as smart and sleek as possible. If you're looking for something modern with premium features, but don't want to max out your budget, this is a great choice. Finally, we've reached the top of our list, the Samsung DVE60A9900V/A3. If you want the absolute best dryer Samsung has to offer, this is it. What makes this one stand out is the FlexDry system. You can dry regular clothes in the main drum and delicate items on top at the same time. It's like having 2 dryers in one. It also has AI Smart Dial, Super Speed Dry, and Steam Sanitize, plus a CleanGuard antimicrobial coating to keep things hygienic. And of course, it's Wi-Fi connected and Energy Star certified. Now, it's not small, it's almost 47 inches tall, so make sure you have the space. It's also the most expensive on this list, coming in at about $1,799. And like the others, you'll need to buy the power cord separately. This dryer is perfect for someone who wants the ultimate laundry experience with all the latest features. If you're willing to invest in the best, this is the one to go for. That's our full breakdown of the best Samsung dryers from basic to premium. Check out the links in the description to find the top products at the best prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech and appliance reviews just like this one.